going to be making a 100% natural soap today. And this one is what I call Sea Forest. It's a really nice blend. It has lemongrass, cedarwood, rosemary, and eucalyptus. And then I have some little scraps of a eucalyptus mint soap that I'm going to be adding into it just for some visual texture. And this one is a goat's milk soap. So I actually have some goat's milk in the bottom of this. This came from our goats. I like to add the goat's milk portion to my oils. And so what I'll do is, like with lye solution, I'll do a 1-to-1 with the water and lye, and then I will do double that amount in the goat's milk of the liquid portion. So I've got that in there. That's ready to go. I'll blitz it up and you'll see it when, because I want to incorporate that first. For the I already talked about the fragrance. For the colors, I'm going to be doing some indigo. I have this in a little bit of oil. And then I have some dandelion greens, basil, and spinach powder that's in a little bit of oil as well. This will turn a little bit brown by the time it cures, and that's okay. And then in here I have, this is my essential oil combination, I have some French green clay in there as well. So it'll be a nice green color. What I will be doing is bring it to emulsification, and then I will I'll pour off some of the oils into these 2 containers, then add the essential oil blend, add these in, pour it, and I have 2 molds here with some pretty impression mats in them, so it'll give it a nice texture on the bottom. And because of the scraps and because of the extra liquid content beyond what I usually use, it will cure. While it's curing, it will dehydrate out. I'm going to have 2 extra bars to account for that because it'll be too much for those molds. So I'm going to go ahead, get gloved up, grab my lye solution, and I'll be back in just a sec for us to start.